I'm Ted Vanloo, born and raised in Wardsville, Missouri, central Missouri. I've lived here all my life, 46 years old. I'm a farmer. We have two farms. We got registered red Angus on one, have a commercial herd on the other. My dad is very integral in it with me. We are strong rooted here in central Missouri. Growing up here was fantastic. We had a freedom that most kids probably dream of. Ride bikes wherever you wanted and just be a kid and be outdoors all the time. I've been doing landscape lighting for 4 years now. I got a lot of work to do in a day. Homeowners do not understand what a light can do, so they know what they want it to be because they're like, that is one of the first things they say when they call is like, man, my house is dark, but I don't know exactly what needs to be done. And that's where we come in. We get there, and they leave for work one morning, the next night we come back to visit them for the last aim, and they're like, wow, this is awesome. The most rewarding thing about lighting for me is actually when a customer calls and says, I drove by somebody's house and I don't know who did it or what happened, but I saw that you're outdoor lighting. Let's get together and talk. So I get together and talk with them, bring a portfolio over, and instantly they're like, yeah, we like that. That's what I want to do. Having a good portfolio, and especially here in the Midwest, there are a lot of homes that look the same, look a lot, I mean, relatively speaking. Through having a good photo book, people say, I don't know exactly what you're talking about, but I know what I have in my head. So within 10 minutes, we can flip through and show them here. This is exactly the type of home you have, and is this what you're looking for? And 9 times out of 10, they say, yes, let's do that. Everybody knows exactly what they want their home to look like, but they have no idea how you achieve it. Anything can be achieved. It's the belief factor that people have put in me through previous projects that they know I can achieve what they want. I'm Ted Vanloo, and I design, service, and install landscape lighting.